Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Algorand Algo Daily Update. We are going to see where is the next price target, where is this going to stop. Amazing stuff right there. Bitcoin crashes but Algorand goes up. Before we continue, please join our monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. We opened up 10 more spots. You will get an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, a manual system with buying and selling opportunities, educational videos, personal guidance, manual, of course, updates in the market every day, and many more benefits. You will find the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. You will also find the link there for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much. Let's go to use a tool, a very likable tool right there, the Fibonacci trend-based Fibonacci extension. And we will open up the magnet. So we go to the low of the candlestick, the high we formed back on 7 September yesterday, and the low right here. You can see that the next price target is the 1.90. We might be getting around there. And of course, we have one more at the 2.44, which is more for the short mid-term. Okay, so we have these next price targets for Algorand. It seems like it can't stop there. It seems like Algorand wants to push all the way higher and higher, and it is reaching right now the previous high we formed back on the 12th February. Okay, so you can see it is pretty close right now. It is very close even to surpass, and if we surpass this, then it is all over. You can see that the 1.618 is almost at the previous high right here we formed back on 12th February. Okay, and now we want to see whether we can go even higher. I believe if we can close above the previous highs right there, which is a strong resistance level, then the next price target will be the 1.90 and the 2.44. all right, so therefore let's see the volume. The volume here is increasing so much on the 4-hour frame. You can see what volume the Algorand has. The MACD right here surpassed the previous high formed back on 7 September, and it's going higher. The blue line you can see above the signal line. Let's go to the risk metrics. After having a higher low pattern, we had a crash right here, stopped around there for the RSI, then went immediately backing up and going above the 70. Amazing stuff right there. And of course it destroyed the technical analysis, because right there you would say that we are going further down, but no, we just went upwards. Stochastic RSI is now going into an overbought. Same here for the commodity channel index. It is already in an overbought situation. We are getting close to the price we had back on the days. If I open the weekly frame, you will see that we are going up to the high we had on a 1.8260 on 8th February, but we are yet far enough from the previous all-time high. So right now you can see that it is going above the 8th February 2021 on the 4-hour frame. It is looking good. It is looking like it can go even higher. Let's see if we get rejected or achieve a better price. Okay, so let's go on the daily frame. If I open up the SSL hybrid, we did have a buying opportunity back then on 31st August, not a selling opportunity yet, and you can see that we went even higher. Okay, amazing stuff right there. Found support on the 50-day EMA. If I just close the SSL hybrid, you will notice that we found support on the 50-day EMA. Now we are going into a very bullish candlestick right there on the daily frame. Algorand looks like it wants to go up higher, almost had a triple top. Let's say that we now have a triple top, and we are very close to the 1.8436. You can see how close we are. Let's see if we find and get rejected there or go upwards. We will discuss everything, do not worry. The 20-day EMA had a bullish cross from the 50-day EMA back on 17th August, and from there we are just keep getting upwards and upwards. Okay, so you can see that we do not have any bearish RSI divergence on the daily frame. We keep getting the higher low pattern stuff right there, and everything is good for Algorand. Let's go right now to the ALGO Bitcoin chart, and you can see on the ALGO and Bitcoin chart we are far above from the 14th February February. Okay, we will see it better on the daily frame, but right now we found some huge sell pressure due to the fact that we had this high right here. So if I draw an horizontal line, you will notice that this line right here with the red color is our resistance level. That's why we are struggling a little bit to go up above. Okay, so but it looks very, very nice as well. Do not worry if we find a little bit of a sell pressure right now. It is due to the fact that we met a very, very important resistance level, and of course we have all of the risk metrics so up high. Okay, as for Algorand in Bitcoin chart, I will delete all those drawings, we do not need them. You can see that it looks better into going even higher, okay, and it looks better into getting above the previous high we formed back, okay, and if we get there, then the next price target will be around this line right here, okay. If we get there above, we can go even to the 0.4043. So if you multiply this number by the recent Bitcoin's price, then you will get the Algorand price as well. By the time Algorand reaches there, let's say that Bitcoin will be 50k, let's say that it will be 50k, then if you multiply this number with the 50k, you will get the Algorand's price, which can get even above the 2.15 around there, okay, 2.15 USDT. So yeah, this is the next price target in case we close above the previous high we formed back on 11 February, around there, 11 to 12 February. Okay, so let's go right now to the price analysis, and you can see that we found some sell pressure due to the fact that, as we talked about, we are in a very, very critical spot right here. Okay, so let me just avoid the magnet right there, and this is a very critical resistance level that we found a little bit down over resistance right there and some sell pressure. So what is happening right now? Okay, let's say that from here we correct. So I will draw a fib retracement right here from this bottom right there up to this top, okay, and you can see that we have some major support levels in case we correct right now, 1.64, 1.52, okay, so even if we get to these levels right here, do not worry. But at the same time, if we manage to make the 1.83 actually as support level, then we can get to the 1.89, and why not afterwards all the way to the 2 Tether USD, 2.14, 2.23, and so on and so on. We have, of course, the 2.43 to 47, which is the minus 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, the 2.618 Fibonacci extension. Okay, the reason we are finding some huge sell pressure right now is because we went into a critical resistance level right there, and of course Algorand needs to prove now that it is strong enough to go even higher. We need now the Bitcoin, especially on the 4-hour frame, to push a little bit more upwards. Okay, if Bitcoin helps us just a little bit, then we can go even higher. But if Bitcoin has a little bit of a crash right here, then for the Algorand this means that it can go even further down, okay, into the 1.64, 1.52. So what you should do right here, if we get above the previous high formed back on 12 February, then yes, you should get in. If we close above, then you should get in, and you should have the one price target at the 1.90. Always remember, we have strong resistance line, 2 Tether USD for Algorand, 2.15 for the short term, 2.23. But in this case, we just need to close above the previous high, 1.83. Always remember that, close above to get to the next price targets, okay, 2.14, 2.23, 2.33, and of course we have the 2.4447 if you believe and you want to hold it until there, because from the one time we are right now till there, we are 40% upwards. That's a very nice swing trade for Algorand. In case you missed the hype trade now, just wait a little bit till we see if we can get close to the 1.83. As I've told you before, a strong Bitcoin, a little bit strong right now on the 4-hour frame, can help us, but at the moment you can see that Bitcoin is having some difficulties in crashing down and going above. But at the same time, Algorand is looking very strong, and we might easily break the 1.83. Let's hope that we can easily break and close above the 1.83 to get to these short-term next price targets, and why not the 2.43 to 47, which is our 2.618 and our minus 0.786 Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription to get easy profits. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.